Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Professor here. You've seen the title already, so let's get into this. I got this today, and this is my Zorro. I forgot to look up the model number. Oh, what? Comes with flints and a wick? What? But this is a pure copper, and it is heavy. Oh man, that's sick. I already have spare wicks and spare flints, so I'm never going to run out. Ooh, this is packaged so nicely. It's got a nice good bubble wrap inside of a bubble mailer. And I'm going quick because I don't know how long this battery is going to last. And I don't know if this filming setup is going to work. Oh, I'm excited. Look at this. What? Oh, wait, what? It looks like it's textured, but maybe that's just the bag. Whoa! What? Vacuum sealed, basically? Yeah, that's a texture. Ooh. Look at this. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Look how shiny that is. You can almost see how wonky my setup is. Oh, man. Look at that. Nice little ping. Let's see all the milling marks. And this. Oh. It's copper, too. It's got a plastic on it. Nice. Look at that. I've heard this is solid copper. I'll have to check that later. And there's a O-ring right there, but it's nice and neat. Oh, that crack is so. Oh, this heavy 5-barrel machined hinge. I don't know how they even get this. Oh, dang, man, that takes a flick of the wrist. Oh, there's the hole for the pin. All right, I'm gonna run and get something real quick. You guys sitting at my. Oh, dang, that looks really slick at that angle. I gotta run and get a couple things real quick. Okay. So that is the Zippo pre-production pure copper. So it's skinnier, or the Zippo is, and the Zippo is shorter. But yeah, this is like an armor, a super beefy armor at that even. Oh man. Ooh, that cam spring's solid. All right, grams, nice. Take the insert out. That's the way that we got it out. 31.69 grams. Let's do the black insert. 25.82. Okay. Oh man, that's so shiny and beautiful. Look at all that. Pure copper machine. Ooh, yeah, that. 190 even gram wise. You can kind of see that. 190 even. And then Zippo pre-production pure copper comes out to 28.64 grams. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh, okay. $34 including shipping. This was $80. That's what the $80 is for. That name right there. Let's take a look at this. This guy looks slick. Checking the fit too. It feels, going in, it feels a little loose. It wiggles a little bit, but it's in there pretty secure. Oh, that looks slick in there though. I'm not going to be fueling it up today. I don't think. Oh, I don't have any fuel handy. I don't want to run back over there. So yeah, we're not fueling it up today. Oh, oh. I'll put a picture of my steampunk insert inside of that. Okay. The Zoro insert does not want to go into the Zippo. But, I mean, it's up to you to decide what's worth your money on what you want to get. But one day this new copper one's going to look tarnished also. I can't wait though. I love the tarnished look. And, sorry, making sure my audio is still recording. But, oh man, that's slick. It was 190 grams of copper versus 28 grams of copper. The price difference is insane. Oh man. But I will use this a little bit, but then this is going to be put away as, I mainly just collect lighters. I don't smoke or anything. I just mainly have them as a collector piece and just a super cool object anyways. But look at that. All right, that's a pretty slick. Oh man. Oh, I don't even have the insert in there. Look at me just framing things up at this point. Yeah, it's slick. It's exciting, and it's 190 grams. It's a beast. Oh man, but I'm just gonna end it here. The Zoro pure copper machined 5-barrel. It does not have Zoro on here, but all right. Well, anyways, rambling over. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.